Shocking news. ODUNLADE ADEKOLA's source of income not pure. Before we continue this shocking news, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Popular Nollywood actor ODUNLADE ADEKOLA has recently been the subject of controversy following allegations questioning the legitimacy of his wealth. The claims, which surfaced on social media, have sparked widespread discussions among fans and critics alike. However, the actor has categorically denied the accusations, emphasizing that his success is a result of hard work and dedication. ODUNLADE, known for his versatile acting skills and numerous endorsements, has built a reputation as one of Nigeria's most celebrated actors. He owns a successful film academy and has featured in countless box office hits over the years. In his response to the allegations, the actor described them as baseless and an attempt to tarnish his hard-earned reputation. "My journey in the entertainment industry spans decades of consistent hard work, sleepless nights, and determination. Anyone who knows me or has followed my career can testify to this," ODUNLADE said during a recent interview. The accusations have sparked mixed reactions online, with some fans rallying behind the actor, while others have called for further scrutiny. Analysts argue that such rumors often arise when public figures achieve significant financial success, especially in industries like Nollywood, where transparency regarding income can be murky. Despite the controversy, ODUNLADE continues to focus on his projects, including his philanthropic efforts, which have positively impacted communities across Nigeria. For now, the star remains resolute, urging fans to disregard the rumors and focus on the positive contributions he brings to the entertainment industry. Let us know your thoughts, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.